Hey guys, Adam here with Pillow Profits, and today I want to show you an update that we're rolling out to our bedding product. Now, as you guys know, the bedding has been selling really well in the Pillow Profits fulfillment app. It's one of our top sellers, and we made a really big improvement that some of our top sellers have been requesting for a while, which is an update to the mockup. So as you can see, on the product uploader, we have this new mockup without the fold. And the reason we took the fold out is because it was covering a lot of sellers' designs. And some customers just weren't able to see the fold design because there was a fold in the bedding duvet. So as you can see, we've gotten rid of that. And I'm just going to drag my art onto this new mockup. And I'm just going to give it a second to load here. I'm going to call this bed set. And while this is loading, I just want to make a point that's very important, that you can continue to sell the old bedding mockups and nothing is going to change here. We're just making a really nice optimization for the bedding mockups that we find are converting a little bit better. But if you have bed sets in your store, you don't need to update them to this new mockup. This is just moving forward. Your bed sets are going to be published in the way that I'm about to show you here on the next screen. Okay, so as you can see here, we've now got the artwork to render onto this new mockup, and you can really see the fold design now since there's no fold. And we'll go to the next step and we'll see how this is going to publish now. So here's the big difference is before, not only did we have a fold in the mockup, we were only showing the queen size. In this new version of the bedding mockups, we're showing a twin size, a queen size, and a king size. This is what's really helping conversions because not all people are buying queens and they might want to see what the design is going to look like on the twin and the king size. So this is really a huge advantage for you as a seller to be able to show your customers not just one size, but all three sizes so that they know exactly what they're getting when they order from your Shopify store. All right, so I just went ahead and I published this product into my Shopify store. And as you can see, by default, the twin bed shows as the first image. And as you can see here, the twin bed is the first size in the variant menu, followed by the queen second and the king as the third variant. So you've got the twin, queen, king. Now, a lot of you guys might want to show the queen version as the first variant. So I'm going to show you, if you want to reorder your variants, how to do that. Now, what you don't want to do is just drag your queen bed over here like that. You don't want to do that because you can see the variants still start with twin, queen, and king. If you want to show your queen first, what you want to do is come to this right here that says reorder variants. Click on that. And what you want to do is drag your size over here like this and hit save. And then now you can see the queen is the first variant, and then drag your image over here and then you can save that product. So now you can see the queen is the first size, the twin is the second, and the king is the third. The important thing here is you always want to make sure that you reorder your variants to match the images so that your customers don't get confused on your product page. Now, the last question that you might be having is, how are your customers going to know what's on the back side of the bedding? Well, in the title here, in the style field, it says black if there's a black back, and it will say beige if you selected the beige back. But if you're not comfortable with showing that level of information in the style menu, what you can do is you can come to our old legacy mockups and you can build a black or beige duvet, as you can see here, and just throw that in here as the fourth image. So you can come here to add images after you've come to the Pillow Profits knowledge base and built your black or beige duvet, and you can just throw it in here as the fourth image. And that'll let your customers know what color is on the back. But for the most part, people are going to get the idea by just coming here to the style where it says the color right here. Okay? So just to reiterate, we've made this update. It's not going to affect any of your old bedding sets. You can still sell those, no problem. This is just an optimization that we made because we noticed that people that are selling, showing all three variants, are getting higher conversion rates. And we wanted to make sure that we're putting you guys in the best position to succeed by updating the mockups and giving you this opportunity to publish in this way. If you guys aren't selling the seat covers, we highly recommend that product is really taking off and sellers are having an enormous amount of success. So if you're not selling the seat covers, we highly recommend that. And we hope that you're having a great start to your 2018. Thanks.